Welcome back, ladies and gents. Thank you for tuning in. On today's video, we are going to modify the famous N54 Cowl Elite. But of course, we are not going to completely take out the cowl, just to be safe and to avoid any possible damages from water getting inside to the engine. So if you want to know more about the possible damages a complete Cowl Elite can have, make sure to check out the previous video. It's short and straight to the point. And now let's start this N54 Cowl Mod. First thing we are going to do is to remove this cabin air filter piece right here, which is 6 bolts. 2 right here, another 2 over there, and 2 over here, 8mm. Now that we have this cabin air filter out, we are going to go ahead and close the hood and put lots of water to see where the water is directed once it touches the cowl itself. See the rod over here, just a little bit over here. Got some water in the middle, towards the end over there. Now that we know where the water goes, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit higher than this line so I could use this slope to help push the water in case more water comes in. Try to move it that way as well as in here. So I'm gonna cut a little bit higher here, a little bit higher there, and as you can see some water in there, I'm gonna leave another lip right here so I could put one seal, one complete seal all along this line. Now let's go ahead and take out these 2 caps. Tab in the back, tab in the front, small tab right here. Same thing for this side, tab in the back, tab in the front, and this thing right here. Now all that you need is take out this bolt right here, which mine doesn't have it. Same thing on the other side. Disconnect this connector by twisting it. If you have one on the other side, same thing. Unhook this plastic from here and from the other side. And now we are ready to take out this cowl out. Now let's go ahead and remove this seal right here. Now grab something straight and do your marks, same distance, and in here we're gonna leave the lip like I told you, and in this corner we're gonna make it round so it could be as smooth for our seal. For the coating, I'm gonna choose a grinder with a beat up diamond disc, which will definitely do the job. Now all you need to do is smooth this out with a razor blade or with a scrubbing pad or whatever you want to use. Just make it smooth. And what I like about this design is that this bigger piece not only looks better, but it also makes the whole thing rigid, nice and strong. It's not gonna break on you. For the seal, I got me a car door seal that is exactly the same as OEM. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim it and start going all around. Now make sure that this gasket is in its right place as well, all tucked in. Now let's put in our N54 Cowl Mod back on. Put in your passenger side plastic cover. Put in your connector. Put in your driver's side plastic cover. And now I present to you the N54 Cowl Mod. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more automotive tips, tricks, DIYs, and N54 content. Once again, thank you for watching and see you on the next.